In a somber reflection on aviation safety, we examine the tragic flight incidents from January 2024 to January 2025.
This graph illustrates the total number of accidents that occurred each year, highlighting a troubling trend. In 2024, the number of accidents reached its highest level since 2018, which is deeply concerning. This is unexpected, as advancements in technology and safety measures should lead to fewer accidents, not more. We invite all of you to join us in analyzing these incidents and exploring the systemic changes required to enhance global flight safety. Together, we can work toward a safer future for aviation.
On January 2nd, 2024, a runway collision in Tokyo involving Japan Airlines and the Coast Guard claimed 5 lives. Just days later, on January 5th, an Alaska Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 9 experienced mid-air decompression in Portland, resulting in minor injuries but no fatalities. The year continued with a devastating crash on July 24th, when Saurya Airlines Bombardier CRJ-200 went down in Kathmandu, leading to 18 fatalities during takeoff. Safety concerns escalated on August 9th, as Voepass Airlines ATR-72 crashed in Sao Paulo, tragically claiming 62 lives near a residential area. As 2024 drew to a close, a technical malfunction caused the Azerbaijan Airlines Embraer 190 to crash in Aktau, Kazakhstan, resulting in 42 deaths on December 25th. Just days later, on December 29th, severe weather and potential pilot error led to the catastrophic Jeju Air Boeing 737-800 crash in Muin, South Korea, which took 179 lives, marking it as one of the deadliest incidents of the year. The new year began with another tragedy on January 2nd, 2025, when a plane crash in Fullerton, California, left 2 dead and 19 injured, still under investigation. Each of these incidents serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing challenges in aviation safety and the urgent need for systemic improvements to protect lives in the skies.
Returning to the graph, our analysis sheds light on the critical incidents that contributed to the record high levels of accidents and fatalities in 2024. By examining both the accidents and fatalities trends, we can better understand the underlying factors that led to this alarming increase. We encourage you to join the conversation by sharing your thoughts and subscribing to this channel. Together, we can continue exploring the implications of these findings and work toward actionable recommendations to improve global flight safety.